first Octavia was just launched 60 years ago. And the remarkable thing about this car is that it's been carrying over the last 60 years the same DNA than in this first car here. And through the generations you find exactly the same ingredients that made this car remarkable 60 years ago, which is an incredible interior space, incredible boot capacity. You have in a car that is not the biggest in the market, you have an incredible feeling of space when you drive the car or when you load it with luggage in the back. So when you sit in the back, you have an incredible space. For people who are tall like me, for example, it's very, very impressive how much space you get in the car when you sit in it. And that's absolutely unrivaled in the segment, and that's what makes the Octavia very, very successful in its category. And that's why the Octavia has been the best seller for Škoda, and so we hope the next generation of Octavia will continue to carry the same DNA and bring it an even further step forward. It will come very soon.